Dear children, today we are going to see the chapter Microorganisms. Let's first understand the term microorganism. An organism which cannot be seen by naked eye and it can be seen by microscope is called microorganism or microbe. Before the microscope was discovered, nobody could see microorganism. An instrument that makes small things look bigger, that is magnifies the objects, is called microscope. The study of microorganisms is called microbiology. Scientists who study microorganisms are called microbiologists. There are 5 major groups of microorganisms. These are bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, viruses. Most microorganisms are completely harmless and some are even useful to us, but a small fraction are responsible for causing diseases. The disease-causing microorganisms are called germs or pathogens. Bacteria. These are single-cell organisms. There are 3 main types of bacteria: rod-shaped, spherical-shaped, and spiral-shaped bacteria. Fungi. These are unicellular or multicellular. Yeast is an unicellular fungi. Bread mold, mushrooms, penicillium, aspergillus are multicellular fungi. They feed on decaying organic matter as a saprophytes or on or in the body of living organisms as a parasites. Algae. They are unicellular or multicellular. Chlamydomonas is a unicellular algae. Spirogyra fucus are multicellular algae. Green organisms capable of preparing their own food, usually they do autotrophic nutrition. They live in water. Protozoa. These are unicellular animals. Cannot prepare their own food. Examples: amoeba, Paramuseum, Trypanosoma, Plasmodium. Viruses. These are smallest of all microorganisms. They are not cells and do not contain cell organelles. They are made up of genetic material surrounded by a protein coat. Viruses are considered as being at the borderline between living and non-living because they show both the features of a living and non-living. As they react like non-living in the free atmosphere, but when they enter the body of a living organism, they show the features of a living organism and start reproduction. Where do microbes live? Microorganisms are found everywhere in nature. They live in air, water, and soil, on the surface of objects and living organisms. They are also found inside the bodies of animals, including humans, and also found in dead and decaying organic matter. They also survive in all types of environment ranging from ice-cold climate to hot springs and dry desert to marshy places. Useful microbes. Human beings have been using microorganisms for years to produce food such as curd, bread, cheese. In addition, microorganisms are useful in many ways to us. The uses of microorganisms are: in preparations of food items such as curd, bread and cheese, and also used in the industries to produce alcohol, wine and vinegar. The chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid. In agriculture, it is used to increase the soil fertility by nitrogen fixation. In preparation of medicines such as antibiotics and vaccines. They are also used in cleaning the environment, in sewage treatment, and some of them used as the sources of food. Thank you.